today I'm out here and they're setting everything up for the South Asian Championship. So it's 5 different obstacles, 5 different exercises. Well, it says that 1 sport, 5 disciplines. Put it like that. It's real simple. I'm making it complicated. So these guys are out here, right here on the beach. They're practicing right now, getting ready. I'm sorry, my finger's in the way. But yeah, they're practicing right now, getting ready for the main event. So I'm out here with these guys. They're just gonna walk over and talk to them. Yeah. So, hey guys, what's up, man? Yeah. And what's your name?
King San.
King Sang.
Yeah. Nonni.
Nuni.
Nalavis.
Nalavis.
Nikki.
Nikki.
Yeah.
So you guys are practicing for the event, the Southwest Championship event?
ไม่เข้าใจเลยทีนี้
Yeah, they probably don't speak English very well, but it's okay. They're out here practicing. They're getting ready for the championship.
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah, they're getting ready for the
Southeast.
championship.
UIPM.
UIPM. UIPM, yes. So that's what this event is. UIPM. And right now, I'm out here watching these guys practice and prepare, bringing it to you live. Yeah, man. Rare footage, you know, Thailand. They always got something going on the beach that's really positive, good energy, you know, staying fit, healthy, right here on the beach. It's just a good, beautiful day. Sun shining out. Very friendly guys. They're just setting up. So this weekend, everything will be on and popping. But just wanted to give you guys a quick, you know, update, insight. Check out what's going on. It's wild. This reminds me a lot of what they have in America called the American Ninja event. And these guys are just, yeah, man. They're just really getting it in right here on the beach. So they got like this obstacle, and you see all the banners here. You know, they called it the UIPM event, and it's cool, man. It's really cool. Like just that they're always doing something health-wise, exercise. It's always busy here on Jomtien Beach. You know, they always got something going on, positive related to. They're having a good time, man. They setting up. So this weekend, if you're in Thailand, you may want to just check it out. It'll be going on all weekend. He's setting up. He's like the guy on the wheel. What's your name, man?
The Sun Man.
The Sun Man. He's setting up the wheels, as you can see. So it's cool, man. Like I said, very, very friendly people here in Thailand. Like I said, they're not even set up. And they just letting me walk through, get some footage, and share with you guys. You know, normally people would be like, no, you can't come in. But, you know, in other countries, they wouldn't allow this. But in Thailand, it's all good, you know. It's all to the good. So that's why one of the main reasons why I like being here. People are very friendly, very helpful, you know, compared to a lot of different countries I've been to. And I enjoy it. Again, health and wellness. They got it all set up like the American Ninja event that's going down. And it's going down here in Thailand. As you can see, that's that back there is usually at the end when they at the American Ninja. If you ever watch the American Ninja show, at the end they run up the ramp and they hit the button. So when I'm gonna do another segment on this. This is like segment 1. I'm gonna do another segment on this when the event is actually happening and kind of show you guys how people get through the obstacles, you know. But yeah, we're right here on the beach. You know, like I said, it's a beautiful day. You know. I'm enjoying the weather, enjoying the views, enjoying the people here in Thailand. So, yeah, man, can't ask for much more than that, you know. Man, that obstacle is nice. I mean, a lot of upper body strength, definitely on the rings, definitely on the spin wheel, definitely like on the monkey bars. A lot of upper body strength is gonna be required to get through this obstacle, you know. And man, I can't wait to see it. I can't wait to see it go down, you know, everything. So I'm standing here right now by the ramp. This is like the end of this actual obstacle course here. But then over here, they have running. So I'm out here in the sun. Just imagine in the heat running, and they got this running obstacle course set up, as you can see behind me. Just trying to give you guys a real good overall view of everything. So you can see he's testing out the wheel, making sure the wheels and everything is working properly. As you can see it in the background here. So making sure everything is working properly, people getting what they need. So as you can see, this is like for like running, everything, one sport, 5 disciplines, you know? And it's really cool to see. So you got like sword fighting, the obstacle course, swimming, shooting, running. You got everything. Yes. So hopefully, like I said, if you're in the neighborhood, if you're in Jomtien area this weekend, definitely stop by and check it out, because it's going down here in Jomtien Beach in Thailand. Yes, it's the UIPM event that's going down. And that said, I'm gonna run this back because I'm gonna get some actual footage of when the event is actually going down. So I'm gonna share that with you guys as well. Actually come to the event, you know. So I'm gonna just walk down here where they got all the flags from the different countries that's gonna be participating in this event, which is really cool, man. I mean, it's not just Thailand, you know, but like all these different flags from all these different countries. Look at that, you know, like everybody's invited, you know, well, not everybody, but all these different flags, all these different countries coming to represent. And this is the stage behind me where people will get their awards, you know, like first, second, and third place, as you can see, set up here, you know, third and second place. So it's a really cool event, you know. It's like watching the American Ninja show live, you know, on the beach while it's going down. So I'm definitely gonna come back and get some footage of the actual event. Like I said, I'm privileged enough to just get here, and they allowed me to get some footage of them setting everything up. So that's really cool, you know. And hopefully I can just get some footage of the guys down here that's actually practicing the shooting. So get some on the shooting range right here in front of me. That's what we're walking to now. So hopefully I get some footage of them actually practicing on that. That would be cool. Man, Thailand, beautiful place, really nice people. So yeah, so like they got all these kids. Yeah, as you can see, like behind me, practicing the gun range. You know. They're waving. So, hello. That's the coach. Yes. Yes.
Where you from?
United States, USA.
Okay.
Yeah. So this is the gun range. So they're practicing. And here's one of the guys. He's practicing now.
Hello. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Shoot.
It's not have a fire.
Oh, no,
Yeah.
fire.
It's off. Yeah.
Off.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. It says off. Hello. Very friendly people.
Hello.
Yeah. So this is what they're doing this weekend, man. Here in Thailand, as you can see, man, it's all good. So hopefully, let me see, I can get some footage of this. Oh, that's what it's called. See that?
ไปเอาบัตรของพอมาทานข้าวไปเราไปย้ายโรงแรมเอา
Hope you guys can see all that. So that's it. UIPM event this weekend here in Thailand, Jomtien Beach. If you're around, stop by, check it out. It's definitely going down. All right, peace. I'll definitely, tune back in when the event is actually happening and get some actual footage of that. Hello. Everyone saying hello to America and all around the world. Hello. All right, guys. That's it for now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this, and stay tuned for part 2. I'm gonna do after this weekend, after they actually have, actually after I see everybody performing, I'll do some footage and upload another video. All right. Until next time. Peace, love, and everything. All right.